I really like this cat now. I'm happy. She's so cute. She's called.
Oh, you get your dinner, son, first and
Let's
foremost.
see.
Here.
Tabitha.
Set it down, sweetie.
Right now, guys, that's the start of this. Tabitha. Woo-hoo. Wait, let me see. Yeah, Tabitha. So she's my little cat friend. She likes to go on walks. She does almost everything, but she just cannot talk. This morning she went up the stairs with pumpkin. Little cat friend, she cried. 'Cause when November comes around, that she will cry. Let's get my brow further. My brother. Oh, sorry. I'm deleting that, bro. I'm deleting that. Why did you do that? I'm deleting that. I'm not looking over there, by the way, guys. I'm looking at you.